This is my Regulator City Trello list, and this list of bugs was a lot longer earlier in the week, and this is the list of changes in the current version, which is growing. But I've been doing a bunch of bug detection, playtest sessions, and fixing things. And the reason I've been doing that this week is that I'm recording this video on Thursday, December the 1st, last week. If you're watching every Thursday, this was last week. And there is a event happening, an indie game exposition thing, and Regulator City got into that. So it's gonna be shown, and people might, hopefully, will be landing on the Steam page of Regulator City, which means they will be playing the demo. And I want to make sure that demo is updated. Right now it's version 36 that's there. That's been like 2 or 3 weeks old. I have a lot of improvement and changes. So I want to make sure every bug and issue and big thing is out of there. So I have a better demo up and running on December the 4th or 5th. This weekend it's gonna be on Steam. So by the time you're watching this, it has happened already. The demo is still available, so make sure to check out Regulator City on Steam. Yeah, but I just need to get this game as stable as possible. So I've been playing games all week, and that's pretty much what people think I do every day anyway. When I tell them I'm a game developer, they think I play games. This week I played my game a lot, and I want to show you a little bit of a session, how that works. So this is a little bit different video than usual, but I hope you like it. It's also probably a little bit longer. I'm just going to show you a lot of gameplay and my screen. I recorded my screen while playing, also the Trello and some of the code, and I recorded myself playing it. So after the intro, let's have a watch at one of my gameplay test development design sessions. Yeah, I never called it like that, but this doesn't sound catchy at all. We'll come up with a better name for it, but right now, intro. Not really a bug, but that little thing at the bottom of the screen showing you what the mission is. It covers too much of the gameplay, so it needs to be either transparent, smaller, or completely change or move to another corner or something. And it also doesn't make a sound, but mission info on indoor is bugging me, blocking visibility. These are just, it's not really a bug, and I think the camera is a little bit... Alright, that's better. It's not really a bug, but, well, it bugs me. So I guess in that sense, it is a bug. So now it's, I just have to write it down and eventually I'll fix it. I've been looking at it a lot of times during playing, just never wrote it down, but it keeps annoying me. So it has to go, change, or whatever. There it is again. It's great to see the progress of these missions, but it's just blocking too much of the screen right now. I'm not sure what the best solution is going to be. There is a laser here, and the laser shouldn't be active. That's a bug. You see, it never ends, and this is something I just recently added. These lasers should activate as soon as you complete a mission. I haven't completed a mission, but they are activated, and I'm not sure why. Lasers got activated during a takedown mission. I can debug it a little bit and see what's going on. It's a horizontal laser, so what's it doing? Oh, yeah, no, it's not a bug. This is test code from me from yesterday. I disabled it to test if things work correctly. Alright, not a bug. So, if we... oh, I'm not in debug mode. Well, that's stupid. Alright, it's not a bug. I kind of fixed it now already. So, yeah, this is the wrong window. Not a bug. Archive this. Ignore it ever happened. We just have a problem now in this mission. We can't go up there. So that's a little thing. I think I can work around it. That is a bug. I'm not sure if you noticed it. These guys just went through this door. Why did they go through the door? The door has no collision box, and I think I just fixed that this morning, but for the horizontal doors and not for the doors that are vertical. Did I not? Oh, yeah, wait, I know where to find this. Door. Electronic lock, I think. That gets AI is this. Electronic lock. This is the horizontal one. This code added this morning, and it's only for the normal doors and not the vertical doors. So we add it here as well. Although this doesn't even check if it's on screen or not. That's a bit weird. I should have played the game in debug mode. I'm gonna quit it and restart it again. But why are we not adding? Oh, because I removed it here. So yeah, stupid. I changed that part of the code, and well, now we can do if on screen, then I'll do all this, and if we're not on screen, ignore it, skip it, which scores a lot faster. I'm quitting the game because I want to be in debug mode so I can quickly test these things. Also, this is something I should have made a bug for it, but I just kind of fixed it. This happens a lot. So even though sometimes I have a very long list or a short list of things fixed, there's a lot more that I just fix as I'm doing it. So yeah, it's just very easy and very simple. If I know where it is, I'm not going to write down the bug. I'd rather just fix it. And when you're running the game in debug mode, you can quickly test if the fix actually fixed it. All right, new game. As you can see, so this way I play new games or the early part of a game a lot of times, and I don't get very far into it because there's just so much stuff I run into that then needs fixing that I kind of don't get further into the game. Eventually I will get there, and that's a good sign because that means most bugs will be gone by that time. The game 2 HP on success in one try. I have to see if that actually works. We're now at 9 HP out of 10, so let's see what happens if we do this in one go, if we can. Right, not a bug, but that mini task is lame. It needs a better thing. So deactivate bomb. No, yeah, deactivate bomb task. Make it more like Simon says. So there's 4 buttons, and it's probably more interesting if you have to press them in the right order, I think. So we're gonna try to implement that at some point. It's not really a bug, so maybe it shouldn't be the bug list. But for now it is in the bug list, so I have stuff to work on. I can quickly recall what I'm doing. I forgot what the mission was. That's another thing. I used to have mission information on the pause screen, but now we don't have it anymore. So mid-game right now, I have no idea what my mission was or is, and I can't recall it anywhere. So add mission type info to pause screen or interface. One of the two. There is on the top right corner a counter that says how much you have done. Mission 1 out of 4, but it doesn't really say what should be done. So maybe I should create tiny icons for it or something, so that we can properly see what happens. says 1 out of 4, but I'm not sure what I did to unlock it. I wasn't paying attention. I'm sure we'll find the other 3 things and then fix it. 3 out of 4 kills. Okay, we need to take down specific enemies. That's easy. They'll probably show up automatically. We just have to walk through the whole level, and at some point we'll kill the right person. Right now I'm at the end of the level and I still need to kill a certain person. So who did we miss? Where are you? That guy, he was stuck over there earlier, didn't get him, now we got him. We can go to the exit, and now enemies will be dropping in everywhere around us every now and then. I increased that a little bit, especially if you have a hostage and you're trying to escort that hostage to the exit. There will be enemies spawning on your path everywhere, making it pretty intense to get your hostage out of there. This was fairly easy. Mission done. On to the next mission. Yeah, we could see this as a little bug there. We painted on a open garage door. It would be cool to close it, maybe. Not a real big bug, but possibly close garage door when the mission is done. I think it's not a big thing to implement. It's pretty much opening a garage door, but the reverse order, if that makes sense. Right, mission 1.2, rescue, only 2 squad members go in. Also the modification worked, we got 2 HP extra, we now have 12 on top of our 10, and it is refilled, so that one seems to work. Only 2 squad members go in and we have to save a hostage. Disable the bomb. And here's the hostage. Now we just have to safely get out of here. And there will be enemies spawning around us. So in early builds, the hostage would actually have an energy bar and you would be able, or she or he would be able to get killed by the enemy. But you have so little control over that. I removed that part and it's already going to be tough enough to stay alive and have your team stay alive while escorting the hostage. The hostage will stay pretty much close to me unless it sees a clear path to the exit, which she just did. Look at Granny run. She's at the exit. Now all we have to do is get there. But my teammate just died and I'm alone and I don't have my ability. So why am I going on there? Just get out of here. 2 health and 1 guy got killed. Not a good mission. That means we only have 2 guys with us for now for the 3rd mission, and our HP gets halved. I only have 1 or 2 HP, so alright, little trick, you can sit down and wait and you will gain an HP. This doesn't work a lot of times. It works up to, I think, maximum 3 HP or only 1 time. So at least now I added a little. It's going to be halved. It's not going to be a good mission and I probably die, but let's see how this goes. And 3 divided by 2 apparently is 1 because, well, integers. So. Alright, I need some way to find health. One thing, I do have health in my status bar. I'm just not sure what I want to do with that. Right now it does nothing and it was used before to get your squad members back up in when they got down or shot. We're not going to help them anymore because we prefer to just buy new recruits when we get to HQ. That leaves me with medikits that have no function at all. I might strip out the medikit function completely, and that you have to regain strength in a specific part of the level. There are little tubes like things, so maybe you have to go there. You get in, you get re-energized, and you get out, and that might be a solution, and then we'll just ditch the whole medikit. Right now there are medikits that don't really do anything, so I'm gonna, well, remove them from the HUD so you don't see them. Even though they will be there, you won't see them. Or maybe I'll just make it that if you pick up a medikit you gain 2 or 3 HP. That might also be a nice and interesting system on top of having the tubes fully regenerate you. Yeah, things like that. While I'm playing, these things just go through my head, and I try to come up with solutions and ideas. And standing still for that amount also gained me 1 HP. This level does have a dispenser, I think. The dispenser is where I can get drinks, and from those drinks I can gain HP. So I'm just gonna hopefully have my teammates do most of the work here. Right now they're just running away from the enemy. Alright, that's one taken out. That's the second one. Let's see. We can go into the dark, and that should give us a little extra advantage. Enemies won't see us, we will see them. Not taking much risk, I'm still shooting them from afar. And we have a dispenser here, so give me some soda cans. That's another HP. Only 1 soda can, that's not a lot. But we're not dead yet. I want to change this level. There's a weak wall that you need to explode, but I think I'm gonna just make it a door that you have to burst through. Only 1 HP left. Oh man, I'm almost there, but now I really need my teammates to step up, because I'm not gonna make it very far. Alright, still alive, gaining 1 HP, so we're back on 2. Now I'll just try to sneak out and make our way out of here. Still need to add 1 explosive somewhere. But I'm not really sure where. Apparently I forgot a spot, or it's in the hidden walls probably. I don't want that actually. Oh, it's not here. So where did we miss placing explosives? I don't see the spot. Oh, we just lost another guy. That means I just have 1 backup left now. And still no idea, but I just got 12 HP and I'm not sure how. But I also don't see any spot to place explosives, so that's possibly a bug, and that's going to be a difficult one to fix because this doesn't happen every time. I haven't seen this happen at all, actually. No need for music. I have no idea where this is going wrong. Right, this is going to be a tough one. Apparently, mission at placing explosives is missing 1 out of 6 wall mounts or whatever. I can maybe debug it a little bit because let's see, wall explosives. If they are idle, then task completed, activated. So we need one that's in idle mode over here. Do we have one? Not on the screen right now. It should activate the debug as soon as we are near it, because right now it's being ignored if it's not on the screen. So I'm just going to walk everywhere and hopefully we'll find the spot somewhere. But so far it's not triggering and I'm not seeing it, and I've been almost everywhere now. So I'm not sure if it got placed outside the area. This is weird. This is very weird. Oh, alright. I think we have a weak wall here that I forgot about. And this stops the debug. Alright, I think we found it. Yeah, there it is. So it's not a bug, which I'm very glad, because this would have been terrible, extremely difficult to figure out since everything is procedural generated. The placement of these things is random. This would have been a nightmare. The only question now is, do I want to place these things in hidden areas or not? Do I want players to have to search for this, make it that difficult? Honestly, I don't think that's what, it shouldn't be that hard. So I think I'm gonna change that bug to mission targets shouldn't be in hidden areas. Yeah, I think that's safer and that's more fun for the gamer. I already can see the problem and the reactions of players that can't find such a point in a secret area. I overlook this a lot of times. I just walk by it many times. I actually made the level and still I forgot there was this whole secret area. So yeah, let's not put any secret stuff in there. Or let's not place any mission specific goals and targets in hidden areas. That's probably a good game design lesson. So that's one mission played or one level played. We have to add more. Not a huge amount of bugs, but I've been doing this all week. And I think for the sake of this video, I'm gonna end it here because else it's probably gonna be a big long video. So that's pretty much how I spend my weekend, and every now and then I'll take out a day to just play the game and write down a bunch of things. That also gives me a long list of stuff to do on the next coming days. So yeah, this is a little bit of a different video from normal. It's also a bit longer. I just checked, this whole part was like 21 minutes. I might cut it here and there. Then this is going to be a bit longer video than normal, but do let me know if you enjoy videos like this and seeing stuff like this. I get to show more of the game and talk a little bit about my thought process as I'm testing and designing stuff. So I kind of like making them. Just let me know what you think, and I'll see you next week. This video is going to be on the 8th of December. 3 or 4 weeks, and then we'll do the end of the year video. It's gonna be fun. So subscribe, like, comment below, and drop on the Discord if you want to hang out. And see you next week. Bye.